Is your home hiding secrets? Are you sure your dream home isn't a money pit in disguise? A general home inspection can reveal hidden issues before they become costly nightmares. Buying a home is a huge investment. A pre-purchase inspection identifies potential problems like structural weaknesses or faulty wiring, giving you leverage to negotiate repairs or adjust your offer. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Regular home inspections are crucial for maintaining your property's value and safety, similar to preventative healthcare for your house. A thorough inspection covers the major systems such as roof, structure, foundation, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and attic, but it isn't limited to only these items. Inspectors note if something is a safety hazard, needs maintenance, is in need of repair or replacement, or needs to be monitored for developing damage, all on a home inspection report detailing those findings. From a leaky roof to a cracked foundation, early detection is key. Addressing minor issues promptly can prevent them from escalating into major, expensive repairs. Protect your investment and your family's well-being. Ready to uncover your home's hidden secrets? Contact us today for a comprehensive home inspection. Visit our website or call now to schedule your appointment and gain valuable insights into your property's condition. Don't wait, protect your investment.